Hi, it's Imani teacher. We're continuing with our W sound. Today we will also review again with semi-vowel sounds. So they kind of sound long and they sound short too. Let's review. Wa, water, 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 water. Wa, want, 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 want. Wa, went, 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 went. Wa, wish, 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 wish. Wa, word, 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 word. So let's say it together. Wa, water, 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 water. Next we have wa, want. Wa, wa, want, want, want. Wa, went, 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 went. Wa, wish, 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 wish. Wa, word, 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 word. So that is our W sound with our semi vowels. See you next time. Bye bye.